Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I would love to share my experience with these Sable watercolor brushes from Fuumuui. Now, I'm always on the hunt for new brushes to improve the quality of my paintings, and these brushes are now a part of my permanent brush rotation. First, they are Sable, and if you know that Sable brushes can be very expensive, so these are very affordable for what they are. And for watercolor and gouache especially, I love how much water these brushes hold. They also hold their shape very well, especially when storing it in this beautiful case that they come in. I love that the set comes with a range of sizes, especially the size 0 and the size 2. Many sets I find don't come with good brushes that are that small, but these ones are really nice, and I often use the smaller brushes for my work, so I was so happy that they had some really quality smaller sizes. So if you are looking for an affordable Sable brush set, I recommend this one from Fuumuui, and that is my point of view.